welcome back to the garage. In this video I'm trying to learn how to drive in the winter and at least my older son will try that too. So we will have some winter drifting. Yes, that was a great fun. As you can see, my cheeks are red. So we spent some quality time outside with my boys, and even my neighbor came and he was riding with me, but he didn't want to drive because he said that it was too slippery for him. but next time. Yes. I think the speed, I forgot to use my GPS, but the max speed was only about 50 or 60 kilometers per hour. The road is so narrow that it's quite difficult to get enough speed, and you can see where I'm starting from my mailbox. There's a tight corner, right corner, and uphill, so it's a little bit difficult to get enough speed on the first left corner, but after that it's quite nice. But it would be nice if I had some kind of a special stage here, but okay, situation is what it is. But I don't complain. That's very nice to live here in countryside, that I have this kind of possibility to drive, and very nice neighbors. That's also very important. But about the engine, I have two 45 Webers exhaust manifold and 2-inch exhaust, and only with one muffler, so that's reason for that noise. And cylinder head is otherwise original, except the exhaust valves are a little bit bigger. I think 37 millimeters, I think. And the flywheel is a little bit lighter. I don't remember how much we took away, but a few kilograms. And much better ignition. We have crane cams fireball, and the coil is also crane cams fireball, so we should have a little bit meaner spark. And the diff is welded, but otherwise the car is original. But it's very nice to drive in winter time, and I'm having a great fun with kids. This is a family event today. But hey, thanks for watching. Actually I made a video about how to weld the diff, so if you are interested you can see it from the link above. But thanks for watching. Please give me thumbs up and comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.